Everyone, today I am going to start the solution of exercise 3b of D1 7th edition, and we will start from question number 3 onwards up till question number 2. I have uploaded the video for the solution of exercise 3b. So let us start from question number 3, and that says the number 143200 is correct to x significant figures. Write down the possible values of x. That is, you have to write down the possible values of significant figures that are present in this number 143200. While looking at the number 143200, you can say that it has 4 significant figures, and the reason is that these 4 numbers are significant, while the zeros, which we term as trailing zeros, they are not significant until or unless you have a decimal anywhere in your number. We don't have a decimal anywhere in the number, so in this condition it has 4 significant figures. 1, 4, 3, 2. They are significant. Now what about the possibility 1, 4, 3, 2, and suppose I have a decimal over here. Now you can have decimal, but the point is that this will change the value of this number 143200. You will change the value, you insert decimal over here. This is 1,43,200. This is 1432. You can't do that. So you can insert decimal in this way. Now what is next? Suppose you have decimal at the end 143200, and I have a decimal at the end. By putting the decimal at the last, the value of this number is same as the given number. So you can insert decimal at the last. So by inserting decimal at the last place, now the significant figures have increased to 6 significant figures, because by putting the decimal I am converting these zeros to significant digits. As I have told that these zeros are significant if we have decimal anywhere in the digit, anywhere in the number. Now the next possibility of having the significant, if you have any other possibility for the case other than these two. So the third possibility, other than 4 significant figures and 6 significant figures, may be this one, because when you will round off 143,210 to nearest 100, so it will be 143,200. So this may be the third possibility, and that has 5 significant figures. So your answer should be 4 significant figures, 5 or 6 significant figures. The case is this one, and you may take this one as the third possibility. Question number 4 is evaluate each of the following, correct your answer to the number of significant figures as given in the brackets. First of all, we have to evaluate the value, and then we have to give our answer to 4 significant figures. So 1 divided by 99, you can write it as 1 divided by 99, and the process is over here. Insert a decimal. 1 is less than 99. Insert a decimal. By inserting a decimal, you can insert 1 0. It becomes 10. Still, this is 99. We need another 0. By inserting a second 0, you need to insert a 0 over here as well, because decimal allows only 1 0. If you want to insert the second 0, you need to insert a 0 here as well. It becomes 100. 99, 1 time 99, 100 minus 99 is 1. Now because I have used a decimal, I can write a 0 over here. Now this is 10, this is 99, I want another 0, and by inserting one 0 over here, you have to write down a 0 over here as well. Now by inserting a 0 over here and over here, it becomes 100, 99 1 time 99, 100 minus 99 is again 1. This is 1, this is 99, I have used a decimal, I can use one 0. Now it becomes 10, it is 99, I want to insert another 0, and if you want to write a second 0, you have to write a second 0 here as well. Then 99 1 time 99, and the process will continue. However, I have to restrict my answer to 4 significant figures. So I have written my answer up to 4 significant figure, 0.01010. This is not significant, this is not significant, they are leading zeros. However, 1010, they all are significant because this 0 is between two non-zero numbers, and a 0 between two non-zero numbers is significant, while this 0 is a trailing 0 coming after non-zero numbers. And if we have a decimal anywhere in the number, then trailing zeros are significant. Leading zeros are never significant in any case. Part B is 871 into 234. Write down your answer correct to 2 significant figures. So multiply 871 and 234. 4 1 time 4, 7 4 time 28. 2 will be carried over here, 8 4 time 32 and 234. 3 1 time 3, 7 3 time 21, 2 will be carried, 8 3 time 24 and 2 26. 2 1 time 2, 2 7 time 14, 4 1 will be carried, 8 2 time 16 and 1 17. 4 8 plus 3 11, 4 1 5 2 7 and 1 8, 6 plus 3 9 and 4 13, 7 plus 2 9 and 1 10. This is 203814. 203814, it has 1 2 3 4 5 6 significant figures, but we need to round it off to 2. So I can write it as 204000. This is 2,03,814, and I have rounded it off to 2,04,000. This value 3814 is rounded off to 4,000. Now it has 1 2 3 significant figures, but we need 2 significant figures. You can round it off further, and what will be the then possible case? So the other possibility, we have 3 right now. Well, it is 2,04,000, this is 2,03,814. So if you write 2 lakh, it has 1 significant. So you can take your answer like this, because according to the concept of rounding off, I cannot round this one to 2 significant, because for that you have to write like this. You need to replace this digit by a number. You need to replace this one by a number other than 0, and if you will replace this one by a number other than 0, then that means you are going to change your value by a significant amount. So 2 lakh will be your possible answer for this case. Rest of the parts I will upload in my next video. Keep watching. Thank you so much.